Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So you want to know how you can tell if your house is unlevel or your floors are unlevel. Well, one surefire way to do it, and what we've seen, is you take any sort of ball and put it down on the ground, and typically it'll roll if the slope is significant enough to whatever the low area is. Usually it's a corner or something of that nature. If it's more extreme, you're really able to then feel it in the floor when you're walking. More so you feel like you're walking downhill, or you're having to feel like you're walking uphill. Or you could just be leaning to the side whenever you're walking through a section of the house, or you can really feel like your height differential from it. So those are some quick, easy signs to see about your floor, which then translates into your foundation probably being unlevel as well. So hopefully that answers your question, and feel free to do the ping pong ball test or golf ball test and let the ball roll. And that is your foundation repair tip of the day.